Okay, so let's have an example. Study the given example and then identify if it is arithmetic or not. If it is, find the common difference and the next three terms. So yung example na bibigay ko sa inyo, katulad ito nung learning task number 2. Ganun yung gagawin. Determine whether the sequence is arithmetic or not. If it is, find the common difference in the next three terms. So I'm giving you an example para masagutan nyo yung learning task number 2. So the first sequence is 10, 13, 16, 19. So let us determine if it is an arithmetic sequence. Kapag arithmetic sequence siya, kukunin natin yung common difference at saka yung next three terms. So solve natin siya, we get the solution. Paano natin kukunin yung solution? Magsusubtract tayo. The first term is 10, the second term is 13. So that will be 13 minus 10. And what is 13 minus 10? 13 minus 10 is 3. Then, isubtract natin ang third term and second term. 16 minus 13. What is 16 minus 13? 16 minus 13 is also 3. Then, fourth term, 19 minus third term, 16. 9 minus 16 is equal to 3. So, pare-parehong 3. So, therefore, meron siyang common difference na D. D is equal to 3. D is the common difference. So, meron siyang common difference. Therefore, it is an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so ang sabi, kung arithmetic sequence siya, get the common difference and find the next three terms. So, since alam naman natin na ang common difference niya ay 3, and we define an arithmetic sequence as a sequence where the next term is obtained by adding the common difference. So, para makuha natin yung next three terms ng 10, 13, 16, 19, i-add natin yung common difference doon sa last term. So, that will be 19 plus 3, and 19 plus 3 is equal to 22. So, this is 22. Then, 22 plus 3 is equal to 25. And then 25 plus 3 is equal to 28. So the next three terms are 22, 25, and 28. Okay, let's go to number 2 example. So we have the second example, 2, 6, 18, and 54. So, let us determine if it is an arithmetic sequence by determining kung meron siyang common difference. So, isubtract natin ang second term and yung first term. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Then, 18, third term, 18 minus second term, 6. What is 18 minus 6? 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. So, dito pa lang, sa dalawang to, magkaiba na siya. So, therefore, it has no common difference. So, kung wala siyang common difference, ano yung pwede nating i-conclude? So, since it has no common difference, therefore, it is not an arithmetic sequence. So, kung hindi siya arithmetic sequence, hindi na natin kukuhanin yung next three terms. Wala nang next three terms kasi hindi naman siya arithmetic sequence. Now, let me just clear something. Kung sa pag-subtract ninyo ng ng third term and second term, pareho yung nakuha ninyo, tuloy nyo yung pag-subtract hanggang sa fourth and third term. Dapat kasi pare-pareho ito, yung difference nito, like yung number 1. Dapat, pag minus natin lahat ng sequence, pare-pareho yung common difference niya. Katulad nito, yung nakuha natin. Pag sinubtract nyo to, dinerecho nyo yung pag-subtract, 22 minus 9, that is equal to 3. 25 minus 2 is also equal to 3. 28 minus 25 is also equal to 3. Dapat pare-pareho yung difference niya para masabi na arithmetic sequence siya. So this one, kapag nag-subtract kayo, hanggat pareho yung nakukuha ninyo, isusubtract ninyo. Pero once na pag-subtract ninyo at nakita nyo na magkaiba na yung difference niya, mag-i-stop na kayo kasi hindi na siya arithmetic sequence.